Hello student. Today we are going to learn human digestive system in Rajkumar Tirvane's YouTube channel. All of you welcome. We learn here, look at the picture. Human digestive system. The human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organ of digestion like the tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The process of digestion has three stages: the cephalic phase, the gastric phase, and intestinal phase. The first stage of digestion, the cephalic phase of digestion, begins with gastric secretions in response to the sight and smell of food. When we saw food and smell of food, some gastric juices are secreted. This stage includes the mechanical breakdown of food by chewing. The chemical breakdown by digestive enzymes that take place in mouth. Saliva contain digestive enzymes called amylase and lingual lipase secreted by the salivary glands and serous gland on the tongue. The enzymes start to break down the food in the mouth. Chewing, in which the food is mixed with saliva, begin the mechanical process of digestion. This produces a bolus which can be swallow down the esophagus to enter the stomach. The second stage of digestion that begins in the stomach with the gastric phase. Here, food is broken down by mixing with gastric acid until it passes into duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. The third stage begins in the duodenum with the intestinal phase, where partially digested food is mixed with a number of enzymes produced by the pancreas. Digestion is helped by the chewing of food carried out by the muscles of mastication, the tongue and the teeth, and also by the contraction of peristalsis and segmentation. Gastric acid and the production of mucus in the stomach are essential for the continuation of digestion. Peristalsis is the rhythmic contraction of muscle that begins in the esophagus and continues along the wall of the stomach and gastrointestinal tract. This results in the production of chyme, which when fully broken down in the small intestine is absorbed as chyle into lymphatic system. Most of the digestion takes place in the small intestine. Water and some minerals are reabsorbed back into the blood in the colon of the large intestine. The waste products of digestion, means feces, are defecated from the rectum via the anum. So, dear student, we learn here how digestion takes place in the human digestive system. You look at here, some food taken from the mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, and then small intestine into large intestine, and then thrown by the anus. Here also in this diagram, look at here, what are the parts of the human digestive system? Look at here, mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, okay, and anus. Means this system start from the mouth and end to the anus. So in this system, many enzymes are produced by the pancreas. So dear student, we learn here about the human digestive system. Thanks for watching my video. ही मानवी पचन संस्था आहे. मानवी पचन संस्थेचे विविध भाग आपण यामध्ये बघत आहोत. मानवी पचन संस्थेमध्ये अन्न पचनाची सुरुवात ही तोंडामध्ये असणाऱ्या लाळेपासून होते आहे आणि लाळेमध्ये असंख्य एन्झाईम्स असतात आणि जे एन्झाईम्स अन्न पचवण्याचं कार्य करतात. या आकृतीमध्ये सुद्धा आपण बघू शकतो आहे, तोंडापासून झालेली सुरुवात अन्न नलिकेमध्ये जाते आहे, त्यानंतर ते अन्न स्टमकमध्ये जाते आहे. यकृतामधून विविध ज्यूस तयार झाल्यानंतर विविध स्त्रावाच्या द्वारे अन्न पचनास मदत होते आहे. पॅनक्रियाजमधून काही स्त्राव येतात आणि ते लहान आतड्याच्या द्वारे लहान आतड्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त अन्नाचं पचन झाल्यानंतर मोठ्या आतड्यामध्ये उरलेला भाग जातो न पचलेला आणि तो गुदद्वाराद्वारे टाकाऊ पदार्थ